You guys, why is this happening to me? I'm literally starting off this vlog heading to the hospital. This is not the greatest way to start the week. Literally this morning, innocently, like, the family has arrived and they arrived yesterday and we were playing paddle. Super fun. We were enjoying our time. Well, I enjoyed about 15 minutes, maybe 20. And I just twisted my ankle and I heard a crack and I was on the ground and it literally hurt so much. To the hospital we went. I went to this first waiting room, was just waiting patiently, went into a doctor's office pretty quickly, and then had to wait to get like x-rays and stuff. I think I waited for a total of 4 hours in there, but the grind does not stop. I got a fractured foot and went straight to a circus after that. I mean, I had plans, so I kind of really wanted to go. I did not want to miss out on yet another thing. So I went straight to the circus and it was super cool. They had so many amazing talents. Some of them were even from Cirque du Soleil, which is like a super popular circus in Paris in France. And honestly, a lot of these acts were just like stressing me out because I was so scared that someone was gonna like fall or, you know, injure themselves, because they had true talent. So obviously like they didn't fall and stuff, but like my heart was beating. We were nervous watching it at the same time as it was like beautiful and amazing and like so insane. New day, one foot broken, but we are about to make gingerbread houses.
Yes!
Yeah!
Yes, sir.
One thing you guys actually need to know is we're gonna decorate them first. So we have some gingerbread house here, and you decorate the walls first, let that dry, and then we'll put them together, because it's harder to decorate when the walls are already standing up.
This is very universal, like this is very transcendent. Oh, I have never thought of that.
Yes.
I have, and then I've always been so far because I put it together, and then I put the decoration, and then it falls apart.
And we have like these little things that like make it's white icing. And then I just brought out these are chocolates with some caramel inside. So I don't know if you want to use that, or I only have the candy that your mom brought. So
I'll try one. Just
Swedish candy to keep the Swedish traditions going. I mean, I know a lot of people that literally will just decorate with only the white. I can show you a literal Pinterest picky.
Oh, absolutely.
This one. So you can do
gorgeous.
that, or you can do as the pictures right here with all the candy and everything. Just be creative.
Let's get into the Christmas spirit.
Are we doing a little fit checks?
Sure, why not?
Oh my god.
Okay, let me start off with me and my boot that I received, okay? Fit. Ow, looks normal. Ooh.
Balenciaga.
Fresh.
Balenciaga boot.
So I need to wear that for like 2 weeks now. This is Theo, my little brother.
Some baggy jeans and a normal sweatshirt.
Oh, and what about the belt?
The belt,
Details, yes.
yeah, I don't know where I got it.
He does not know. I didn't say where anything of mine was from, but Motel Rocks, then suit pants, Bershka, and shoe, the hospital.
Today we went for a casual, cozy, it's raining. You know what I'm saying? We want to kind of have that cozy feel. And then we have this turquoise t-shirt.
Thank you. Let's get decorating.
Christmas. Yeah. Merry Christmas myself.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas Diana. And Merry Christmas Nana.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also when 'tis cold and drear. Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, much pleasure thou canst give me. Oh Christmas tree,
Excuse the wet hair look, but I just took a shower and I can officially confirm that my foot is blue and green and black. It was actually so interesting or fun to celebrate Christmas on the 25th. I usually celebrate on the 24th, but I love that like opening presents in the morning and you're in your PJs, and low-key everybody had like matching PJs, kind of, some of us. So I thought that was so cute. Even though I have a broken foot, I still put a little fit on. Let me see if I can show you. I have a little skirt on and then some pink, and I thought a bow is still kind of Christmassy-ish, I don't know. But the most important part of Christmas and the best part is the food and gathering around the table and having a great time together. So now we're about to eat a few little appetizers, and then later we're gonna have dinner too. So on the table we have some mimosas, so champagne with orange juice. Yeah, we have some snails right there, very typical. Have you ever tried a snail? Well, you're trying one today. And then more yummy, yummy stuff. Skål! 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 Skål!
Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe.
Santé! I don't even think I've said it once in this video, but Merry Christmas! I'm currently taking out my heatless curls. If you're wondering why I have a curtain against me, it's because you don't want to see how messy the background actually is. So I'm trying to kind of hide it. It's so nice and sunny outside, and I'm seeing people like walking, kids on their bikes. I'm like, oh, I think I know what you got for Christmas. I tried putting some mousse in my hair yesterday whilst doing my heatless curls. I don't know if it's gonna help maybe make them stay in shape for longer, but let's hope so. I feel like the curls are looking more defined than usual, actually. This is what they're looking like. I feel like they look very nice and bouncy. So I want to say that that is a success. Anyways, we are going bowling today. I don't know how much I'm actually going to be bowling, but I think I still want to try at least once. But or else I'm just going to join in for the fun, see when everybody else is playing. Or else I'm just going to be stuck laying in bed or like on the couch. And I feel like I still need to get out a little bit. So. some waffles or maybe some other pastries. We literally have so many sweet treats in the house. It's not good for me. It's not good for my addiction. I think my auntie made food for tonight. Like, there's so much food in the fridge right now. Right now, everybody has literally left me all alone. I'm just kidding, but they went into town to have a little city day. And clearly, since like I can't really walk around too much, I'm staying at home, but I'm being productive. I'm planning lots of future videos that are coming out in 2025. I really want to be on my YouTube grind in 2025. I will be doing vision board video as I do every single year, and I'm so excited about that. And it will be coming out on normally 1st of January, so first video of the year will be my vision board video, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, I think for the next few days I really just need to lay down, get my foot working again. Or like, I mean, it works, but you know, I just need to rest a little bit, spending time with the family and stuff. So I don't really think I have much more to vlog, but I hope you enjoyed this vlog and the other vlogmases. Now there's a total of 4, so if you haven't watched the ones before, definitely go do that. I have a whole playlist of them all. With that said, I guess I'll see you in 2025. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.